Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will help you fix error code 1 in FitGirl Repacks. This error frequently stops installation, which can be quite frustrating, but many common causes are easy to address. Let us start by verifying your internet connection and ensuring your system is completely up to date. Sometimes, a simple restart of your computer can clear temporary glitches that lead to installation failures. Always ensure all background applications are closed before attempting to install. Next, double-check that your computer meets all the minimum system requirements for the specific game you are trying to install. Insufficient RAM, for example, often leads to installation crashes. Crucially, always right-click the setup executable and select Run as administrator. This step ensures the installer has the necessary permissions to write files to your system, preventing many common errors. Giving proper administrative access is a frequent solution. Your antivirus software or Windows Defender might be interfering with the installation process, mistakenly identifying certain files as threats. Before starting the setup, temporarily disable your antivirus program and Windows Defender. You can usually find these options in your system tray or security settings. Remember to re-enable them immediately once the installation is complete to keep your computer protected. This temporary suspension often resolves error 1. File corruption during download is a very common culprit for error code 1. Always use your torrent client to perform an integrity check on all downloaded files before starting installation. If any files are reported as damaged or missing, allow your torrent client to re-download those specific parts. If the issue persists, a complete re-download of the entire repack from a trusted source might be necessary. Ensuring file integrity is critical for a smooth setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.